here we are in the Technique Museum, Sensheim Inspire, and this is a really special location. Like I'm always had an eye for technical stuffs and cars. To have a video project right here in this location is super special for me. The most special part for me was the part on the توبوليف wing outside, the wall flip. That was super crazy. All the things that play together, the wind and the weather, that was super exciting.
It was a lot of fun. If you look around here with all this historic cars and bikes.
Trail biking is like going over obstacles on a motorcycle. That's what it makes for me. Just the new challenges and new tricks that I can try, and it's a new experience every day.